Can 1 ear of corn taste like a trip around the world? It can when you top it with these incredible international butters. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I also happen to be a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario, where good things grow. And one of those really good things is corn. I love Ontario corn. We've got some beautiful Ontario corn right here. Did you know that Ontario grows 3 sweet varieties? One of them is called normal, the other is called sugar enhanced, and the other is super sweet. And they come in 3 colors, believe it or not. You can have your corn yellow, bicolor, or white. The interesting thing about bicolor is for those folksy woksies out there who know it as peaches and cream, yes, you can't say peaches and cream anymore because there are so many varieties of bicolored corn. You should go to foodlandontario.ca and check out corn, and it'll tell you all the wonderful things, all the wonderful corns that we grow. And nothing is better on corn than Ontario butter. And I know that you're looking at this going, compound butter, really? I'm not quite sure if I can do it. Well, not only am I going to show you how to do 1, I'm going to show you how to do 3 incredible compound butters. And compound butter just means that you're taking these absolutely amazing ingredients and you're incorporating it into your Ontario butter. And you can make your Ontario butter starting with Ontario whipped cream and shaka, or you can enjoy it right from the store, support local, put it on your shelf, make sure that it's soft when you start. You do not want to melt your butter when you're making these compound butters. You want to make sure that your butter is nice and soft, that's for sure. So the first butter I want to show you how to make is called a Mexican lime butter. And I've got my soft half cup of butter right here. It's all soft and ready to go. To it, I'm just going to add a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Remember, I always say the same thing. You can always add, but you can't take away. And I'm going to take some finely chopped coriander right here, and then just a little splash of lime just to start, because I want to mix it up, but I don't want it to slop everywhere. And that's how easy it is. And what you're going to do is you're going to use this recipe as a guideline, and then you're going to incorporate these beautiful ingredients into your butter, making it a layered butter, which means that it is now compounded with absolutely yummy ingredients. And it's so easy to do this, just like that. The only thing that you're waiting to do, if you have a little bit of extra lime, you can just pour that out. And again, it's all to taste. And believe it or not, look at that. My compound butter is all compounded and fantastic and ready to be enjoyed. And what you can do is you can take it and put it into a saran wrap or into a nice ramekin, and it'll have it ready to go. My next one is super duper easy. It's a Caribbean one. I've just got some jerk paste. My butter, it's already softened. I'm going to add some of that lovely jerk paste to it. Mix her up just like this. And again, you just want your butter to be soft, but not melted, just soft enough so that you can incorporate it just like I have right here to be enjoyed on your hot corn. If you're going to barbecue your corn, I'm going to say soak it for about 20 minutes in cold water. You can see here I've tied it back, get all of the strings away from it, pull back the husk, and then soak it for about 20 minutes, and then put it on your grill and enjoy. You want your corn to be tender crisp, definitely want it to be tender crisp. So I'm going to now put this here. And now last but not least, that jerk one looks great. I'm going to add some fresh cilantro, fresh basil, a little bit of red wine vinegar. This is a great chimichurri that we're doing. A little pinch of the peppers and some garlic that I pureed so I don't have any chunks. And then away we go. Again, just mixing it together. Whether you're enjoying corn hot or cold, make sure that when you pick it, you enjoy it that day. If you're purchasing corn, you're going to want to put it in your refrigerator in a bag, no more than 3 days, and then you're going to want to eat it up and enjoy. If you want these recipes for these absolutely gorgeous compound butters, go to foodlandontario.ca and check it out. And also check out some amazing other recipes while you're at it. Have a wonderful day and enjoy.